In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 10 stops on Google Maps. So first thing you need to do is to set your destination as well as your origin. I'll head over and choose right here this one as my destination. So let me click on it and click on direction. After that, choose right here your starting point. On my case, I'll head over and then just choose right here starting point. For example, I'll add SM North. So now I have in here these two stops. So after that, you can see that we have these best travel modes. We have in here driving, two-wheeler, transit, and as you can see when we switch to transit, it now doesn't have the option to add a destination. So let's head over to driving, click onto this add destination, and add a new one. For example, let's choose right here this, and then after that, you can head over and then just choose to add this right here. Click on add and then just proceed to click on the stops that you want to add. As you can see, we have now 4. Just proceed to add more if you would want right here. So just click on any part of this that you want to add as well until you reach up to 10 stops or more than it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.